Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is on one more model question paper, part C, 3 marks questions. So here it is given as explain how indirect ranging carried out by the neat sketch. Indirect ranging nothing but an reciprocal leveling. So this is the diagram. There is a and B point in between an hilly area. So it is not invisible. In between we have to introduce M and N points. Okay, this is M and this is N point. Based on that, the same you have to write a same line. Based on that, you have to see point B, M1 is M2 is visible. Same way you have to increase the procedure. I am going to explain down. This is the diagram, you can write it. This is very important question. So 3 model question paper they were asking this question. So study well, you will get pakka in the exam. So indirect ranging also we call it as in reciprocal leveling, reciprocal ranging. Set the intermediate point A and B. Already I have shown above diagram A and B point at the end of the hidden obstacle like a hilly by using two assisting ranging establishing point M and N lines and end point of the fourth sightening process. So randomly line initially will be coming in a same line. Okay, before it will be in slant or slant direction. The method procedure here, the first step, this also we call it as an indirect ranging or reciprocal ranging. Both if they got in the exam, answer will be same. Okay, so set up instrument point A, B, place two assistant ranging rod roughly intermediate point M1 and N1 such as that M1C you can see N1 and B, N1 can see M1 and A, even if A or B are not invisible each other, they are not visible each other, okay, or not it is a not visible. The first alignment, the surveyor at a point A is going to direct M1 move to M2 until A is visible. Same way M2 and N1 in a same straight line by using the ranger or theodolite you can use it. Same way second you have to assist N1 now direct assistant to M2 move to M3 next line until M3 and B should be visible and M3 and N it is a straight line until it will be in straight line. The process you have to repeat until the chain man in the direct ranging each other shifting of both the point M and N perfectly in the same true survey line. You should get a survey line like this. A and A point, here B point, here M and here M, here N. It should be in same point. It should be visible. So you have to do all these procedures. The next question will be a difference between GTS benchmark and permanent benchmark. So a given table, so you can write the table, you will get easily good marks. What is aspects I have written and GTS benchmark and permanent benchmark. Purpose, what is the purpose of it? Is an high precious reference and national level network we are going to use. It is an permanent is a local reference for the general surveys and construction we can use. Locate a location nothing but it is located predominantly suitable for location like hilly tops and permanent features you can use this type and we can use it for permanently placing the buildings, monuments and other permanent structures we can use this. And precious, it is extremely high precious and national geodetical survey. It is a lower precious than compared to GTS and GTS benchmark and it is suitable for a local users where you are going to use the local users. And coming to the usage, which is you can use it for large areas and geodetical survey and high accuracy you can use. It is you use it for local surveying, constructions and generally for the leveling tasks we can use this type of different type of benchmark. One more point is an example. So he can use it for the example in a GTS. It is a part of the national leveling network of India and other countries. It is often to see in the buildings, corners and road, markets and survey monuments. This you can use. Next question is define line of collimation. Describe how established a dumpy level. So we should know the line of collimation. It is a straight line passing through the center of the telescope lens and cross airs inside the instrument. It is a path of telescope aiming to target and helping the measurements of the height. That is we call it as a line of collimation. It is a straight line which is through a telescope and crosshair of the instrument. In the telescope, like this will be plus mark will be there, right? That center mark, that straight line that we can use it for this, and that we call it as an line of collimation. How going to establish in dumpy level? So line of collimation you are going to establish in the dumpy level. Okay, first you have to set up the leveling procedure for set up the leveling. So place the dumpy level on a tripod. Make sure that bubble should be in same level, that you have to check it. And based on telescope, okay, you have to adjust the telescope. Look through the telescope to adjust it so that the point directly targeted, and telescope should horizontal to the ground surface. Next, you have to check the next process is check the bubble level. Use the spirit level. A bubble tube will be there in the instrument. Okay, that ensure it is in perfectly horizontal. Ensure that line of collimation is a level. In the bubble tube, it is like a tube will be there. Okay, so it should be at center. It should come bubble tube at a center of the instrument. After checking the bubble tube, we have to see focusing a crosshairs by the C eyepiece to make the crosshair inside the telescope sharp and clear. You can see easily target that you have to check, and fine tune with the screws with a leveling the screws with a small adjustment you want me to make if you want to get accurate. So with the help of that you can do the instrument study and proper. It should be aligned. And more information, please subscribe my channel and share and support. I am going to upload remaining questions in another video. Please follow and share to your friends. It will be helpful for your friends also. Thank you.